Hi guys, first of all, if you don't have a business email, you can create a business email for free. You just need to click on the notification appears on the top of the screen or in the description below. So now let's see how to connect your business email to your personal Gmail to send and receive emails through your personal Gmail. So let's start right now. To get started, you open up your personal Gmail on a desktop or tablet. Then we click on the settings icon near your Gmail profile picture. And then we click on see all settings. And then we go to account and import tab. In here we go to send mail as section and click on add another email address. As you see, a new window just popped up. In this window is where we will configure the business email that we need to add. There are two fields we need to fill, the name of the business and the business email. So for the name you put your business name, and for the email address you want to put the email address that you need to add. And then we click in next step. In the SMTP Seva field is your business site name, so you put your site name without the mail section. In my case it's aussietravels.com. For the username is the business email that you need to add to Gmail. And for the password is the password of this email address. So we type in the business email password. For the port, I prefer to use 465 port as it's using SSL connection. SSL connection is a way of sending your email in an encryption way for security purposes. So it's a more secure in this case, and we click on add account. So now you're gonna receive an email asking for a verification code to your email as info@aussietravels.com or your business email. So let's go verify it. After entering the confirmation code, we click on verify. As you see, the business email has been added. So let's check it out. We click on compose, and as you see here, there is two emails that we can choose from. My Gmail, like your personal Gmail, or your business Gmail. So you can now send and receive emails through your business email with your personal Gmail, and you don't need to pay any cents for that, and you can try it. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next week for a new video. Bye for now.